Hello everyone, this is myself and now you are watching this video from Shan's English Academy. And my dear all lovely learners, this is my piece where I love to upload English related video every single day. But it doesn't matter, and right now I'm standing at a historical place which is called Kantuji Temple, and now I'm standing at a Shiv temple and which is next to the Kantoji temple, and behind me here you can see this is the splendid Shiv temple, and the Shiv temple is made from terracotta. This is really mesmerizing. তো প্রিয় দর্শক, এই মুহূর্তে আমি শায়ন রয় দাঁড়িয়ে রয়েছি আমাদের উত্তরবঙ্গের একটি ঐতিহাসিক জায়গা যেটাকে আমরা কান্তুজি মন্দির নামে চিনি, এবং আমি দাঁড়িয়ে রয়েছি কান্তুজি মন্দিরের ঠিক উত্তর পাশে, যেখানে আমরা একটি দেখতে পাচ্ছি শিব মন্দির, এবং যেটা পোড়ামাটির ফলক দিয়ে তৈরি। And some of the visitors they have come to see the Shiv temple, and they are so busy to taking photo along with behind the Shiv temple. This is a polishful trees, along with there are some hill as well behind of the Shiv temple, and this is really mesmerizing in moment.